Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for August 4, 2020. If you look at the SPY chart, the daily SPY chart, the market is still in the bull run. Right now, we're able to close successful on top of the resistance on the beginning of June, and now we continue to head up north. And today the market closed at the top, so it's very strong formation here. So we are not too far from the gap fill right here at 333.48, which is the gap that we gap down before the coronavirus. So we will try to find a way to get back there sooner or later. So you can see that the market it goes sideways for the whole way until the last 1 hour, and the market it take up and then try to run up fast to the upside. So this is the pattern they have been doing for the last couple of days. So during the day they stack up the bull and the bear, they go sideways, and at the last minute nobody there, they just run up and try to hurry to get to the destination. And if you are day trader, not much you can do today. So the market is go put it back up, put it back down in the last minute. So in the morning when the market open, we'll be able to guide all our members from here up to the first destination. And after that, they pull back and then they run for the next destination. And that's it. And the market it goes sideways and then they pull it back down until 12 o'clock in the Pacific time. A lot of people thinking that the market is going to crash here, but they didn't know that this is a buy zone. So the market turn around and then run as fast as they can. And now after hour, they go sideways. So definitely they will find a way to put it back a little bit to get some more gas, and then they continue to head to the destination. So I, when I get out from my trade room, I only have a little time left here, so not much profit. So I jump in to take a quick trade for the ice cream. So I get it 294 and done for the day. And we do a lot of swing trading, allowing a lot of position for swing trade, which is for a longer to stay in the trade and make more profit. And if you look at the uh, a couple of stocks that we have been follow. So like Palo Alto Network, they put it back up. They're still doing pretty well. And KMB, those stocks that we highlight on the weekend market. Look at this one here, 150 now at 156. Oh, they still go fast as they can. And look at a couple of stocks like PNR, it's still doing very well there, and the gold is still doing very well. So people are looking for the gold rush right now. So that all the stock that we highlight on the weekend, they try to head up north. And if you look at the Dow, it right now it try to put it back up. Also, everybody try to get back and test the Dow a little bit fall behind, so they try to get up and test the gap up here. And the NQ is still bullish, so they try to find a way to get up to test the top also. And the goal is really make their day move. Okay, goal is continue up to the get out the flag formation here. They continue to head north, and then they just keep running up. People it keep chasing for gold right now. So let's see if they go up here. They will pull back a little bit and try to find a way to get up there. Let's see how far they can go. But definitely it's a very bullish for gold in the long term and in the short term also. But of course, they run up and then they have to pull back again, some more momentum before they can get back up again. And oil it also try to run back up also. So oil have a big gap here. So they try to hang around here and try to find a way to catch up with the gold, I guess. One of them is yellow gold, one of them is black gold. So both of them are trying to find a way to compete. And the euro also found a support, and then they try to run it back up. And the bond, it's surprising that a lot of people do buy bond here, and then they do continue to stay above the moving average, and then they do try to put it back up. But definitely we have a resistance on the upper channel here. So let's see how far they can go here. All right, so that's all I have for you. So far the market is still bull. We will stay in the uptrend, and we are not too far from the destination. So everybody will find a reason to get there. Okay, sooner or later here. So let's see when I get into this level. This is the major retest, and see how the market react at this level. All right. So thank you very much for watching. And if you want to know how to analyze the chart, how to understand the technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new update video, we will let you know so that you can take a look to see where the market heading to. All right. So thank you very much for watching. We will see you on the next video.